Thank you. Whoa, nasty to him. Whoa. Don't like him today. Want him to go away. Chair. Whoa.
I recently went on a kayaking trip. It was the first time in years that I was not self-conscious at all. I'm Jen from Glendale, and I lost 50 pounds with the Medifast Weight Control Center.
Call today for a free consultation. It's not a miracle, it's Medifast.
Ooh.
Real cases, real people.
Like it.
Judge Judy.
Like it.
George Pierpont says his son's former friend, 14-year-old
Whoa.
Deidre Brownridge,
Like you.
and wrapped up over 7,000 minutes.
Now, you and Dawn
Little bird.
sir,
Woo.
loaned a cell phone to her daughter. Is that right? Yes. And she used the cell phone, and you want her to pay the phone bill for the cell phone, right?
Yes.
Bird.
She used it. Why not pay for it?
She doesn't have any money. She doesn't have any money. She's 14 years old, and her mom's not responsible for it. It would be no different, sir, if the children were 16 years old, and you bought your son a
Ooh,
car,
you biting,
and Mr.
Froggy.
Brownridge couldn't afford to buy a
I
daughter
like
a
him
car,
today.
or said, I don't think that I want you to drive
Yes.
when you're 16 because I don't think you're responsible enough. And your son gave her the car to drive when she was in an accident. And you said, I'm suing Miss Brownridge. Miss Brownridge says, how dare you let my daughter drive your car? She's a minor. I didn't give her permission to get a license. I didn't give her permission to drive a car. You have to teach your son better. If you pay careful attention, you didn't teach him well enough not to give his cell phone to somebody else.
One time, maybe twice, to make a phone call so she could
Ooh,
get a
she's
ride.
got a hold of it.
Listen to me.
Woo.
Oh, she's getting serious now.
Woo.
Bottom line of it is, her mother is not.
She's not happy with Froggy today.
Her cell phone when she did not get her daughter a cell phone.
Yesterday
for a reason.
she let him pet
They
her.
had no money, extra money in their house to afford their
What
teenage
a difference a
children
day
a cell
makes.
phone.
You
You
know,
do.
she's got her
And
foot
if
on
you
him.
don't want your children to be in a position to be able to loan out their property, which young people
Ow, ow,
are
ow.
easy to do,
Ow, he says.
even
Ow.
without their parents' permission,
Ow,
then
ow.
he's not mature enough to have a cell phone. And you
Ow.
shouldn't give it to him.
Disagree with that.
I don't care what you agree with, Mr. Pierpont.
And it is not.
I don't care what you agree